So you know how it is when you've imagined how life would be once your online business kicks in, the profit that you could be making, the money that will be in your bank account, how you could be spending it, how you could be living the life of your dream, how you could probably pay off your debts, how you could probably assist family and friends when they need money, how you could just live a better life. But then your online business is not growing as you expect it to be. You're not selling out your pieces, things are not moving as smoothly as you can. And you've tried all that you can. You've gone to Google, you've seen little tips and tricks here and there, and you've applied it in your business, but you're not really seeing the significant change that you want in your business. That's what I'm here for today. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to be breaking down the reasons why your online business is not growing as it should and what exactly you should be doing to grow your online business. So if this seems like something you're interested in, definitely keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Beth. I am an online business strategist and I help business owners like you build a profitable business online. On my channel, I share everything about sales, marketing, social media, and all of that beautiful stuff. So guys, I'll dive right into it. So today's video, you already know, I'm sharing with you the reasons why your online business is not growing as it should. So now let me really break down little things. So when I mean online business, it could be that you run your business on social media platforms or you have an e-commerce website. So whichever it is online, as long as it's not a physical store, or even if you have a physical store, as long as you're running your business via the internet, that's an online business, right? So I'm going to share the basic things, the basic mistakes, or the basic things that you have not really looked at that is not helping you grow your business. And the first one is that you do not understand the platform that you're selling on. This is the biggest mistake that I've seen a lot of small business owners do. Even when I'm working with my clients, I see that most times people don't understand the platform that they are selling on. So if you're choosing social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or whatever social media platform, even TikTok, right? So if you do not understand the platform that you're using, you're just going to be doing everything anyhow. And with social media platform, each platform has the specific thing that's going to help you grow if you do it right. For example, what will work for Twitter may not work for Instagram, what will work for Instagram may not work for TikTok, what will work for TikTok may not work for Facebook or LinkedIn or any other social media platform that may come up in future that will help you make sales. Now, if you think that, okay, because you're selling predominantly on one platform and you transfer all of that on another platform without doing your due diligence to understand how that platform works, you're not going to sell on that platform. So whatever platform they are choosing, it could also be an e-commerce site. Maybe you have a website and you're not optimizing it enough because you don't understand how a good website should work. You don't understand the SEO of a good website. You don't understand setting up your SEO in order for you to rank better when people search on Google. Your business is not going to be visible and your business is not going to grow. You're not going to make sales on the platform that you're in. So luckily for you guys, I talk a lot about Instagram on my channel because I love Instagram a lot. So if you want to know how to grow your business on Instagram more, just subscribe to my channel and watch all my other videos. You would find a lot of value in them. So with these social media platforms, it is very, very advisable that if you're starting out your business, it is best to pick one social media platform that you concentrate on first, or at most, if you want to do the most, you can pick two. Now, when I mean pick two that are like synonymously together, like Instagram and TikTok. You can most likely recycle content on both platforms in order for you to sell. But then if you're choosing like Instagram and Twitter, those are two completely different social media platforms that you have to do two completely different things in order for you to grow. And if you're not active on two of them, you're not going to grow on two of them. So pick the platform that you want to grow on first, predominantly, and then work on it. Use the features of the platform that would make you grow if you were not a business. Now, the issue I see most people make is that because of the feel they're a business, they tend to be more secluded or more reserved with the kind of content that they put out. But then if you're like a personal page, for example, if it's on Twitter, you want to be engaging more and all of that because it's a personal page. But then if you want to do your business on Twitter, you just think that you just come and, you know, post, hi guys, this is what I sell, help me retweet, bye. No, it doesn't work that way. So each platform has different ways in which they grow. So understand the platform that you want to sell on. If you do not understand the platform, your content is not going to be right. Your engagement is not going to be right. Everything that you're doing on that platform is not going to be right. And you're not going to sell on that platform. Your online business is not going to grow on that platform. So take out time to understand the platform that you want to first predominantly sell on as a small business that is just trying to grow. So pick a platform or two at most, maybe websites and a social media platform. Pick them, learn them, work on them, and you will see a change in your business. Now, this leads me to my second point, which is you do not understand your audience. There is a specific group of people that are interested in your products more than other groups of people. Now those specific group of people is who your product is made for, or there's a specific group of people that you want to be serving, that you want to be selling your products for. So that means that when you're trying to create more products for your brand, you already know, because these are the type of people I want to sell to, you know what they like. But if you do not know or understand how your audience thinks, how your audience reasons, you will not be able to sell to them through social media. Remember, on social media, you're probably not the only one selling. There are numerous competitors selling exactly what you're selling, and they understand their audience. They know the kind of content to put out that will get their audience to be like, take my money, take my money, take my money. And if you do not understand what you would say or what you will put out that will make people say, take my money, no one is going to give you your money. It's online. Nobody wakes up every morning and is like, you know what, today I'm just going to spend on social media. Any brand I see today, I'm going to spend. What makes people spend is because the content or what they see speaks to them, and it speaks to them because the content is directed at them. So it's not just about posting what you sell, but it's about speaking the language that your audience understands in order to propel them to actually shop. I have a video on my channel where I spoke how to understand your target audience, and I'm going to make an updated video very soon. But understanding the audience that you want to sell to on whatever social media platform or whatever e-commerce site that you decide to sell on is very, 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 very key. Because like I said, it's online, so people are not seeing it physically, so you cannot physically convince them. It's what they see that they will get convinced to shop. It's what they see that will get convinced to pull out their card, type in their card details, and eventually place their order. And if they're not moved by what they see, they will not decide to shop. So understand the ins and outs of your audience. Understand what makes them buy from your brand. Understand what will make them buy. Why do they need your particular product? Why do they need it in their life at this particular point in time? That will help you know what you should do on your social media page or on your e-commerce site to propel people to actually take action now and now. And guys, this also leads me to my third point, which is you cannot tell people why they need to buy. Now, like I've already said, people don't wake up in the morning and just want to spend all the money they have in their account on any social media platform that they see or any e-commerce site that they stumble upon that day. What makes people shop most times is not really because they need it at that particular point in time, but because they were propelled by something that they saw on that social media platform or e-commerce site that made them to say, okay, you know what, let me make this purchase today. And if you cannot conveniently tell people this is why you should shop, people would not shop. Now, how do you tell people this is why they should shop? By pushing the benefits, or in other words, what they're going to gain when they shop from you. So taking a look at your products, if people should buy it, what is that thing that they're going to have in their life? Not just the product, not just it physically. Let me use an example. My lip gloss is right here, right? So this is my lip gloss. If you want to advertise this lip gloss, you cannot tell me that this lip gloss is pretty or is strawberry or whatever flavor or whatever this is. Now you have to tell me that how this lip gloss is going to make me look in order to make me buy. Now if I feel like this lip gloss is going to transform my entire look, it will propel me to be like, ooh, okay, let me buy that lip gloss. No matter the product that you're selling, it should do something in the life of the consumer, in the life of the person that is going to take that product and use it in their life. So find out the things that your product does in the life of people and then push that to people. When you push that to people, it makes them have a rethink of, okay, so if I don't get this, that means that this is going to happen. For example, the lip gloss once again. So if you don't get this lip gloss, your lips are not going to be glossy and your makeup is not going to pop. Your lips are going to be dry and parched and all of that and all of that and all of that. No one wants dry and parched lips. So you have to convince them that your product is going to do something that is going to make their life a lot better than it currently is. And also help them understand that if they do not use your product at this particular point in time, maybe something that's going on in their life would remain. For example, dry and parched lips would remain. No one wants that. Or something will get worse in their life. So I like using very simple example, for example, skincare. So you can tell people that if they don't use skincare products, you know what, their skin is not going to glow or their skin is going to become worse. If it's outfits, you could convince them that if they don't buy this particular outfit, they're not going to stand out at their next event, or they're just going to look very basic and ordinary. And to a large extent, anyone that cares about the outfit that you wear would not want to look basic and ordinary. They want to up their look. So you have to understand The second point, you have to understand your audience, what they want, how they reason, and also, which is the third point, you have to know what to say that will get them to buy. The benefits, the value, what are they going to get when they shop from your product, because they are seeing it online. So you have to convince them with what you put online that is going to make them be like, you know what, I have to get this right now because I need to change something in my life. Now, my next point is all about your visuals. Your visuals are not selling. It's online, right? People are not seeing these things physically for them to know that, oh, this is lovely or this is beautiful, I need to get this. Your visuals have to be compelling enough to be able to tell the story or whatever perception that you're trying to pass across. You can't say that you run a luxury brand and then the images on your page, the images on your site doesn't speak luxury. You can't say you run a sweet brand, maybe a confectionery brand, and then your images doesn't show like, I want to eat my screen right now. Whatever business that you're running, the image has to convince people that this is it. Even firstly, the image alone, even before you start doing a lot of convincing in your posts, in your content and all of that, the visual alone should make people be like, okay, should make people consider buying in the first place. And then you back it up with my third point, which is give them another reason to say that, okay, this is something that they should buy right now. But first of all, your visual, because it's your visual that is going to capture the attention of people in the first instance. No one wants to first see if they can be convinced before they look at the visual and start studying it. If your picture is dull, unappealing, you would not sell online. Your online business is not going to grow. And thank goodness in our world today, you don't even need a professional camera and all of that. With your smartphone, you can do a lot. With editing apps, you can do a lot to make sure that your pictures and videos are bomb. Generally, your visuals should be bomb. Your visuals should make people want to take action just by seeing your visual. They should already be thinking of, if I had this, right? So work on your visuals. If your visuals are not speaking to your audience will not be propelled to buy. That is one very, very, very big secret about social media. And then if you dominantly sell on platforms like Instagram, your entire feed layout should just be very, 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 very appealing, especially if you're a small brand coming into an industry and you want people to visit your page and feel like, this seems like home, or this seems like something that I should stay, like I should just, stay a little while on this page. If your visual is not appealing, like when people are scrolling through your feed, they cannot even understand what exactly you're trying to say, or they don't even know where to look, and everything just seems very clumsy and dull and unattractive, they will go to another page that has exactly what you're selling, even maybe at a higher price, because they will just automatically assume that the quality is a lot better than yours because your visuals does not show the quality of your product. And now my next point, which is a point I love so much. The reason why you're not selling so much on social media or e-commerce sites is because you have no plans and you have no goals. Now, how I look at it is, if you have a goal, it's easier for you to say that this is what you want to achieve, and then you now set plans to achieve it. But if you just abstractly say that, you know what, you want to sell a lot of pieces this month that will help you settle your debt, or that you could take a vacation from and all of that, a lot of pieces is very, very relative. To some businesses, selling 10 pieces is a lot, while to some, you need to sell 100 or 500 pieces for it to be considered as a lot. So you can't just say you want to sell a lot. Set good goals for your business. I have another video which is completely on goal setting and planning and all of that, which I'm going to leave in the description, and you should definitely check that out as well. But if you don't set goals in your business, monthly goals, weekly goals, and then proper plans, like, okay, this is the goal I want to achieve, these are the steps that I'm going to take to achieve it. Okay, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, I'm going to increase my content, I'm going to make my content a lot better, then I'm going to run ads, then I'm going to do this, I'm going to work with influencers and all of that. If you don't have plans to the goals that you want to achieve, you would not really increase your sales in your business. Goals push you to do better, because you already know that if you don't achieve this goal at the end of the month, you may be going to be feeling a bit like, oh, I didn't achieve my goal for this month, and then to push you to do better next month. That's what goals do. They push you to do better. So if you don't have goals, you'll be more or less like relaxed. Even if you'll not be happy with your sales, you'll still be more relaxed than if you feel like, oh, I didn't achieve last month's goal. Let me put in more effort in order for me to achieve this month's goal. Let me break down my plans a lot better in order for me to achieve the goal for this month. So if you do not set goals in your business, it will be harder for you to measure growth, and it will be harder for your sales to grow, because nothing is pushing you in your business. So my money makers, I hope you enjoyed today's videos on the reasons why you're not growing in your online business and what you should do in order for you to grow. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, which is the like. Don't forget to share to any of your business friends. Don't forget to subscribe as well, and all of that other things. Also, this video on the screen right now is a video for you to watch next, as well as my business stocks playlist, where I share everything you need to grow your business. See you next time, guys. Bye.